You know, I talk a lot about print pals and printmaking teachers in a box, and people say, how are you going to pay for it? And I always say, well, we have a whole gallery full of art here and we'll pay for it that way. And that's why today I'm excited to show the unboxing of our first Solander case. Solander case are those fancy cases that they store artworks in. Paperworks, especially prints and things like that. And so I ordered a Solander case for this portfolio of prints called The School of Wave Squares. It's a beautiful print, and we have 45 of them. 45 of these works called The School of Wave Squares. Long story, but anyway, that story will be in the annals of the Ritchie Family Art Collection. And what would a collection be without a fancy Solander case in which to show it? So this is a Solander case. It's just like the ones in the big museums. And when you open it up, it folds out like this. And the artworks are all inside. Pretty neat, huh? And that's what you get, 45 works on paper, Wave Square School, in all their variations in this box. The value is around $3,000. The case itself is $150. Pretty neat, huh? Pretty fun for an unboxing day. Thanks for watching.